Hello, what's up guys, I am Ariovit and welcome next tutorial where I will show you how to remove subscription from your channel. You have two methods, remove your subscription from your channel. I will show you two methods, and before we start, you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment if it will be helpful. Okay, start. So if you need remove subscription, other subscription from a channel, you must click on the channels here, and here you have this channel doesn't feature any other channels. Okay, okay, it is other way. Here you have, here you can make a subscription. You in this lab you may remove subscription. Here is second option. You here have, after your left subscription, your channel. Okay, for example this, you click on this, and next you may click unsubscribed. Yeah, here you have many subscription, also unsubscribe. You have here all channels which are subscribed, and in that way you may remove subscription which you don't need. Okay, and that's all in this video. So thanks for watching. I hope that I help you. You may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, you may leave bell. Bye bye and see you next time.